खुश रहो बेटिया. I, Jabian Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Our today's topic of the session is horizontal marketing system from the subject of e-commerce. So in this session we will understand what is horizontal marketing and why it is called horizontal marketing. So, a horizontal marketing system is a form of distribution channel wherein two or more companies at the same level unrelated to each other come together to gain the economies of scale. In other words, horizontal marketing system is the merger of two unrelated companies who have come together to exploit the market opportunity. Generally, this type of marketing system is followed by companies who lack in capital, human resources, production techniques, marketing programs, and are afraid of incurring the huge losses. In order to overcome these limitations, the company join hands with other companies who are big in size, either in the form of joint venture that can be temporary or permanent, or mergers to sustain in the business. Horizontal marketing system has gained popularity in the recent times due to an immense competition in the market where everybody is striving to gain a good position in the market along with the his profit. Let's understand with the flow diagram. Company A, which is industry 1, and company B is industry 2, and company C is industry 2. When these three companies merge together on the basis of economic of scale, they gain profit more. So in this marketing system, the collaboration can be between the markets. Two or more manufacturers with an objective of making optimum utilization of scarce resources. Two or more wholesalers with the objective of covering a larger area of the distribution of goods and services. Two or more retailers with the objective to providing bulk quantities in a particular areas. Here is the some example of marketing, horizontal marketing. Nike and Apple have entered into a partnership with the intent to have a Nike Plus footwear in which the iPod can be connected with these shoes that will play music along with the display of information about time, distance covered, calories burned, and heartbeats on the screen. Johnson and Johnson is also a healthcare company have joined hands with Google with an objective of having a robotic assisted surgical platform that will help in the integration of advanced technologies, thereby improving the healthcare services. These two or more companies join hands to capitalize on the expertise of each and capture a greater market share. So these are the some examples of horizontal market. But if you are understand with the general language, if um, there is a private hospital, right, and in the hospital what kind of resources you have to require? The first one is your medicine, and the another some lab, right? So if the hospital open and after some time they open their labs and medicine shop for the purpose of gaining more profit. So that means expanding the business on their field is called horizontal marketing. Likewise, if I have a stationery store, and then after some time I will open the shop collaborating with some schools and then open the shop of their uniforms, shoes, everything which is required for a student in the school, that is called horizontal marketing. The purpose of this horizontal marketing is gaining more and more profit, and came to the existence of lower price, lower gaining of company to the uh, more gain profit with the large company collaboration. Right, so this is all about the horizontal marketing and about this session. If any query regarding this session, please comment below. This digital session version 2.0 provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you, class. In the next class, we will cover vertical marketing. Thank you.